This a booty plug? / bottle? Are you getting drunk and putting shit in your butt? Touch my lip.
Classic holiday, trying to cheat out. 1/2. Why are you getting 2, bro? You're thirsty?
Half.
No, only half. Half of 1/2. Oh no.
Explain it better.
1/2. 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/2. 1/2. 1 and 1/2.
Oh my god.
2 halves.
Nick, help this motherfucker, please. God, this nigga charading with this mother.
P. We liked it better when you
Nick.
talked at this point. Oh! I get it now. He said grab the box for the cake mix. No glove, no love, you know what I'm saying? Alright, put that shit on. Now we're gonna, you have to do that shit and then like do that. Fast like a skateboard. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! Oh my god, it's so beautiful.